Hey guys, if you're looking for a really sturdy rolling backpack for your kids or for something else, I have about 12 pounds of water in this rolling backpack just to test it. I'm going to do a full review of this backpack. I got this for my niece and I decided to get this for myself as well. Reason why is because if I'm going on vacation, I really don't want to have my camera gear in a flashy camera bag. So I decided to get a kid's bag because this one actually doesn't tip over, which is really nice. It actually holds easily holds the 12 pounds, probably more. And I'm gonna my DSLR camera and also lenses and all the equipment comes with it has basically it's probably more than 12 pounds, so it's more closer to around 15 pounds I'm gonna be carrying. So I'm putting in this kid's backpack because it's big enough to hold a lot of stuff, as well as it's very convenient to roll around too. The wheels are really well built. I'm gonna go over the features of this backpack really fast. Like I said, I got one for my niece. I got same one for myself, and it's really cool because it rolls around in two wheels in the back. There's two little stopper feet in the front, so it basically rocks forward to keep it balanced. The handle itself is pretty sturdy. There's multiple stop points for this handle, which is nice. So it's meant for little kids. But I'm guessing more like a 7-year-old, 8-year-old, 9-year-old. But to be honest, this is pretty long. You actually could use it for, like a teenager could use this. Definitely could use this thing. It's actually a very large backpack, which would carry a lot of stuff. I had 2-liter bottles in there, as well as two large water bottles on each side of this thing. The bottom part of the wheels roll really well. The two little feet stoppers are great, and it's pretty well reinforced in the plastic on the bottom for skid plates, which is nice. As you can see from the back, there is two padded pads on there, so that when it's on your back, there's some ventilation. It also acts as a pocket to hold the backpack straps. You basically take off the straps and strap it onto that bottom D-ring, and it becomes a backpack, which is really nice. Now, here's the quick compartments. There is an organizer in the front. That's pretty typical. And the neat thing is that each of these compartments are actually padded, and I thought that was pretty neat too. The front one is padded, this one's padded, and it's padded on the other one too. Now the only thing is that the main compartment, the backing and is not padded. This is actually padded too in the front, but that other part is a sleeve that holds it. Bottom part's padded with foam. The rear lining underneath isn't padded, so that metal backing is not padded. So if you're carrying something like pretty sensitive gear, like what I'm doing for camera gear, I would put it in a camera insert before putting it in this. But if you're just carrying books, no big deal, you can just put it right in there, and it zips right up and hides it. Now, I have a camera insert like this. This is a pretty awesome camera insert because I could put my DSLR camera, lenses and stuff, and it fits perfectly well in most backpacks, especially this one. This one fits really well, and it's yellow, so I can actually see where my lenses are and stuff like that too. But yeah, I'm going to put my pretty heavy camera and the lens all in here. Also, a lot of the batteries I'm going to put in the front. But overall, very, very useful size, very good capacity for a bag like this. I know you'll buy this for your kids for books, and for books this will be fine. It's actually very, very sturdy. And it has a handle on the top, of course, so if you want to, you can just grab by the top. Looking at the bottom too, there is like skid plates, but if you're using this as a backpack, they also come with a cover that basically covers the wheels in case you're rolling it on the ground and it's dirty or wet. You use this cover to cover it, so when you have it on your back or carrying it, it won't dirty your back, your clothes, or anything else like that. Pretty smart, pretty cool, and basically you just fold it and push it back into the sleeve and zip it back up, and it hides it, which is really nice too. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty neat backpack. The only thing kind of weird is that there's this little key ring that's outside here. I have no idea why they have that there. Maybe it's for like a tag or something like that. But anyways, it's Sterling W. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you